principles that advances and protects people's interest. Yan ang PDP. And that's the reason why I'm here. To express my solidarity to the party. And I would like to take a step back insofar as looking at PDP as a political party. I am not a political animal. I am just a political observer on the side, especially during elections. But when I would look at political parties, especially during elections, karamihan ng mga political parties, they come and go. It's very fleeting. Pagkatapos ng election, mawawala na yung partido. Or kung hindi man mawawala, hihina at wala na masyadong ginagawa. Kasi ando na, naluklok na yung mga kandidato na gusto nilang ilagay. And I think that should not be the case. Because when a political party is not solidly grounded, ang nangyayari, ang nauuna yung kandidato. Ang partido ang tumutulak sa likod. Ngayon, pag makita mo, like what happened in the last election, front and center, together with the candidates, ang political party. Yun ang gusto nating makita. It has happened and let's continue to do it that way, if I may suggest it. Kasi front and center, ang nagdadala po sa kandidato ay yung partido. And the principle behind that the party was grounded and established at the time when it was established 44 years ago should remain valid even until now. Why is that? Because if I may recall, yung PDP po was established at the time of upheaval, at the time of social and political unrest. Sa panahon ng ama ng ating Pangulo, sa panahon ng martial law. So, dyan mo makikita yung lalim at lawak ng partido when we talk about having to come together in order to address the social and political unrest in the country at that time. 44 years later, we are in the same mess. And we need to protect, we need to address, and we need to solidify. Let's make it 1 million in a week, in a month, 2 million.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Because, again, I like to look at PDP in another perspective. PDP kasi, it's not like some other political party where the politicians or the political party leaders are up there looking down and trying to dissect what the people down there needs so that they'll be able to get their votes. Ang PDP po is very much grounded on the ground. Kinakausap mo yung tao. No? At dinadala mo yung tao. Nakikipagkain ka sa tao. No? Yung sentimento mo nasa tao. Talagang ka-level mo yung tao. Ibig sabihin, nakikilala mo yung tao at anong kailangan natin. So I think that is what's important to understand why PDP has lasted this long. And I hope it will continue for the next 44 years and beyond. I'd like to acknowledge two people. Given this political and social upheaval, the first one obviously was the founder, si Nene Pimentel, 44 years ago. So ibig sabihin po, hindi po ito, this was never established at a time when things were easy. Never. The party was established because we were in dire need. The country and the Filipino people was in dire need. Kailangan talaga may motivasyon. Malalim, malawak, at may commitment to move forward the people's cause. 44 years later, nakita po natin na and even before, si Tatay Digong, PRRD, mayor, tawag namin sa Davao, CM, or to friends, he would simply want to be called by. Nag-away pa kami nun. Kasi when he asked me to meet, I like to take a side trip with Digong. Sabi ko, Sir, Mayor, huwag na. Tawagin mo na lang akong bay. Hindi, sabi ko, I cannot do that. You know, he was mayor. I keep on saying, sir, ayaw niya. And kami lang dalawa. Actually, tatlo. Si Senator Bongo. Ayaw niya. Bay lang. Ang haba ng diskusyon namin just for how you're going to address him. That's how simple the matter is. Those people out there don't know him. They don't know him. We know him.
Yes.
Yun ang sinasabi ko. He walked with his people, he ate with his people, he listens to his people. And that is a reflection of what PDP is. And I hope it will continue to be that way. Maraming salamat.